In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and enhance content with the help of Slides Mate AI. We will start by selecting our text from current presentation. Next, an action is required. Let's insert a new slide and a text box which will contain our text. The image menu allows for multiple interactions with the AI. Let's create some new images. We can enlarge the created images. Next, we will insert the image to our slide. Crop it. And drag for the desired position. We will next edit an existing image. I will select an image from Drive. Inside the Image Edit menu, I will add a shape to mask the polar bear. Now I will replace the polar bear with an imperial penguin. Let's invert the selection to add some flowers to the background. Now we will request for some variations for a slide image. The data menu draws conclusions based on given spreadsheet data. I will select a Drive spreadsheet and will use a sheet with applied filtering. Add a short description and instructions for the AI to follow. Make sure your dataset is not too large for the AI to read. And add results to a new slide.